Yes, the bird.
Where did it go?
There's a bird somewhere in here. You know, it flew like down here. It flies across you.
Check Muchler's office if it isn't out here.
Why would the bird be in Muchler's office?
Oh, it's over here.
Where? Oh man, there it is. There's a bird. Where'd the bird go?
It's just the lunch.
Oh man, there it is. Come on, zoom in. Zoom in, stupid phone. Whoa. Oh, crap.
It's trying to escape it.
Bird. You can survive. I think it's pissed off. I don't plan on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Haha. Now it's right above me. Hello, bird. Oh, snap. How did it get in here anyway?
It probably flew into a door when someone entered it.
Birds normally don't fly that low.
No, they don't.
Did somebody like just leave something wide open or... Dude, that's glass. You cannot get through the glass. If you want out, there's probably...
You can't really understand the concept of glass.
Yeah, I get that. Birds aren't particularly intelligent about that.
What will happen is eventually you'll ride into a bird enough he knocks himself unconscious, and then hopefully someone brings him outside.
You think that'll happen? Because it's just going to keep going back and forth, and I'm going to be taking this video for like 2 hours, and I'm going to put it on YouTube in high def, and I'll get millions and millions of hits. Because, just face it, man. People love birds. I really wanted to get one of it like just flying through the hallway at like high speed, which is what it's been doing. What is it doing? Okay, well, you know. Oh snap. Bird, you aren't being particularly exciting. Oh, it's freaking out. Okay, you know.